Well, I decided to come back to Springton Manor Farm. I had orientation this morning and it's a beautiful, beautiful spring day. Getting some vitamin D. Beautiful spring day. Listen to the birdies. Got the skunk cabbage coming up. I have no idea where this nature trail comes out, but that's very nice. Reminds me a little bit of St. Pete's Village, like obviously the same type of rocks. But the farm is up there. Might as well go up and over. The reason I came back here is because it's a safe place to walk by yourself. Like, I don't feel like it's sketchy at all. So, oh, wasn't this a pretty little spot? I have to feel the water. Days like these makes me never want to work again, right? And just be out in this all day nature. Oh, and here's where you come out. I guess right below the barn. Cool. Oh, or you can go that way. Huh. Do I want to go that way? Let's see, maybe a little bit. Look at all that skunk cabbage coming up right there. I wonder if this would be a good place for, mushrooms? Try not to grunt this time. All right, I got pretty muddy on that last crossing, so. All right, I think I'm going back. I think I'm gonna go back because I don't know how far up it is and I need to take a drink of water. When I was getting ready to leave the farm, I saw a lady driving by and she stopped and she was reading my bumper stickers. And I can kind of see her mouth moving. I feel like the bumper sticker she read was my frack you, you frackin' frackers, because she laughed. So, anyway, I might stop at Marsh Creek, we'll see. Wow, look at all this. This is nuts. Clover Mill Road. Coming soon. More townhomes. Just what we need.